Finding Nemo. Best dad in the sea. Nemo loves his dad, Marlin, and Marlin loves Nemo. But they are very different. Marlin is careful. Slow down, Nemo. Nemo is not. Come on, Dad. One day, Nemo is too brave. He swims far ahead. Oh no! A diver! Marlin cannot see Nemo. Nemo has been caught. Marlin swims after Nemo, but he is too late. Plop! Into a tank Nemo goes. How will he ever get home? Marlin is sad. He wants to search for Nemo. His friend Dory can help. At first, Marlin is very afraid. But not for long. My son needs me, Marlin says. For Nemo, Marlin is brave. He is very brave. Nemo hears good news. Help is on the way. Nemo escapes. Dory finds Nemo first. They look for his dad. They ask the crabs for help. They find Marlin, but they get stuck in a net. Nemo has a plan. Swim down, he says to the fish. They are free. You were so brave, says Nemo. You were brave too, says his dad. Nemo loves his dad, and his dad loves him. And they are not so different after all. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.